Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here is Arvind, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Pixel 2 boot animation in any of your Android device. So at first you should need to download an zip file. For that, go to your XDA feed and go to the Pixel 2 boot animation forum. Go to visit threads. Go to the first page. You need just read this stuff, otherwise just directly go to the Pixel 2 boot animation zip file, click on the download button. Download will automatically start. So actually I have provided the download link directly in the description below. Let's wait until the download is finished. It's only about 1.2 or 1.3 MB. So to flash the Pixel 2 boot animation, you should need an install TWRP in your phone. So first power off your phone. After that, click volume down button and up button simultaneously to switch on to TWRP mode. Wait. So now we are on the TWRP mode. Now click on the install button, and here we are having the Pixel 2 boot animation zip file. Click on that, swipe right to flash it. It will only take about few seconds. It's done. Now click on the reboot system. Now you can see the Pixel 2 boot animation is coming up. Let's wait for a few minutes until the phone is rebooted. So guys, here is Pixel 2 animation on your Android device. So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe my channel. And thanks again for watching. Thank you.